Races on Big Little Missy from the outside, 4 Bells Desert Breeze. Down on the inside is Lake in Manila. It's now 4 Bells Desert Breeze, Lake in Manila, Princess Leila. And on the outside, Big Little Missy Clag, racing 6, running 7th key Lagger, running 8th position, Deep Pockets, 9th position, Dayang, Smarty Fans, Old Reliable, third last, at number 2, Maricord Chance, while Jocks Only is running in 13th. Solo Singer was left behind. Big Little Missy by a length and a half, 4 Beltic Lug, Desert Breeze, Lake in Manila. And on the outside, Key Lagger, Princess Leila, Deep Pocket, racing towards the final turn. And into the exciting and long Santana stretch run. Big Little Missy on the outside is Siklag, Big Little Missy, 4 Bells, and on the outside, Smarty Fans, Lake Camera, Deep Pockets, and nearing the finish line, Siklag, Smarty Fans, rushing up, moves up, and finally, Smarty Fans, Siklag, close, number 2, Marigold's Charm, 4 Bells, Old Reliable, and Deep Pocket.